have a very special juice in the making. This is dried tomato powder, and I simply want to make a juice of it with just 1 teaspoon. So one of the benefits of taking this is that it has a high level of antioxidants. You just need to keep stirring it till it dissolves completely. It has high antioxidants, it has lycopene in it, and it has a good level of vitamin C. So it's great for men to prevent prostate issues. It's also good for weight loss. After drinking this juice, one of the first things you will notice is a good bowel movement. Like, you will know that this thing really worked on my intestines, like it cleaned it out. So it's very good for maintaining a healthy colon and helping you to lose weight, and prevent storage of unnecessary fat in your body. If you have ulcer, caveat. So if you're an ulcer patient, you may not need to take this on an empty stomach. You may need to take it in between meals, or add honey or something that can reduce the acidity a bit. Although it doesn't really taste so acidic, but tomatoes being what it is, will definitely have some level of acidity even in its dried state. But you can also experiment just little and see how your stomach reacts to it, and then that will tell you if you need to add honey or something else to reduce the acidity, or you just need to take it that way on an empty stomach. But for me, I prefer to take it on empty stomach. That way it really cleanses my system, gives me a fresh start for the day, and I truly would like you to give it a trial. You can use tomato powder, or you can use fresh tomato. Just blend it up and enjoy. And you can have this every other day or daily if you so desire. Let me know what your thoughts are. So, welcome to my cocktail party. I'm done with my juice and I just want to have... This doesn't really taste or smell like tomatoes like that, but it really tastes nice. And I'm taking it on an empty stomach. And one of the things I'm expecting is to just give me that clean sweep in my system. Not like you're going to leave work and then keep running to the loo, but it will help you have a very easy, smooth, and clean bowel movement. And I think I'll use this to cleanse my face. This is morning. I should use this to do a cleanse on my face. And you can also try that. Are you trying this? I think you should. If you're a woman looking to have a flat tummy, you're healing from fibroids, you're overweight, you're trying to conceive, I think you need to catch on this juice. Add this to your routine. It's going to make a great difference to your internal health, to your skin, and to your VJ down there, because tomato juice is also a bit acidic, so it will help maintain the normal acidic level of the vagina, not beyond the recommended level where infections can begin to thrive, but no, just at a safe level where it can protect, give you that good protection, and you're good both for your personal health and to keep the vagina friendly for the semen. Remember, one thing is to eat healthy, another thing is for your vagina to be friendly to the semen that is coming in for fertilization. So you see that there are so many angles to these things. So every step, everything, every tip counts. I hope you will stick around for more tips on general lifestyle, fertility, hair, and much more. I love you. Peace.